Princess, Louie Rankin's daughter, one of his daughters, is a good friend of my manager.
Okay.
And she has been talking about me ever since we met my manager. So after his passing and they being good friends, she was just expressing the way she felt about how the industry treated her father. You know, a lot of big name artists and celebrities know him, but he wasn't given his proper flowers. And his daughter was like, you have artists, you running a label, could your artist try something? And she was like, you know what, I have the perfect artist for this, let me try something. And then she called me, my manager, she called and was like, Mechanic, I have a challenge for you. And I was like, okay, no problem, challenge accepted.
Louie, aka original Don Dada. R.I.P. to the king, one of Jamaica's godfathers. Icon, always had the lightning and thunder. Hands down champ like he born with the rap.